Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will learn about how we can make Outlook or Hotmail.com. So let's open the Chrome browser. You can use any browser if you want. For example, here I have another one, Phoenix as well, but I would prefer if you use Chrome. So you have to type here in the URL bar about hotmail.com. It is their official website opened now. I will click on that, create free account. So we have to choose our new email. For example, I would prefer if you use genuine name here. For example, I will choose Ali Farouk. Click on next. Actually, these are two options. When you click on that, Outlook default is outlook.com and the other one is hotmail.com. You can make any one. Click next. I will use their suggestions. So these are the suggestions. This one seems to be simple. I will use this one. alifarouk34 @outlook.com. Then you have to click on next. Here you have to create your password. I would prefer if you use strong password, some symbols, some numbers, some icons. For example, I will use, I know this one is simple, but I would prefer you to use the strong one. 123908456 You can click this option if you want to receive their tips, offers, products, services, discounts, and etc. I will click on that. I will option it out. Click on next. I don't want the Chrome browser to save my password, so I will click on never. So here you have to write your first name. For example, my first name is Ali and the surname is Farouk. Then click on next. It will auto detect your country region. So my country region is Pakistan, as I am located here, and the date of birth, I would prefer if you use your original date of birth. For example, if you lose your access to Outmail or Hotmail, Outlook or Hotmail, then date of birth or recovery codes will be used to recover your Outlook or Hotmail. So it may take some seconds to create an account. So here is the puzzle. Please solve the puzzle so you know you are not a robot. Okay, click on next. Pick the zebra. Where it is, here you go. No, I don't want to stay signed in. I will click no. If you want to stay signed in for any time, when you open Chrome browser, If you want to remain sign in, you can click on yes, but I will click on no, as I don't want to sign in later. I will click on no. So Outlook is ready, our account is created. Now here is the official website. Here is the inbox, sent items, drafts, email, junk emails, draft, and everything you need. Now I will close the video, as our topic is covered. If you have any question, you can comment. In this simple way you can make your outlook.com without number. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.